We cannot get enough of Rainforest Cafe. So we're here again, drinking unsweet tea. Once again, we have avoided a 70-minute wait and sat at bar seating. This time we're not at the bar, we're at a high-top table. We just walked right up and sat down. All three of them were available. They needed clean. So there's a little hint for you. Also, check out this giant mushroom. Ongo. Alright, Casey has ordered the Taste of the Islands. And what's in the rarebit dish? What's that?
Cheese, shrimp, scallops, and some sort of other thing.
Alright, what else you got?
Coconut shrimp, type of fish, I forgot what it is, it's fish. And fries and cocktail sauce. Yeah.
Alright, now Heather, you don't like cocktail sauce?
I don't like cocktail sauce.
Alright, well I like cocktail sauce. Alright, so Heather, you have, as usual, selected the chicken parmesan. And I have broken from my norm of getting ribs or steak or some kind of crap like that. What I had the last time we were here this week, I don't even remember.
We shared ribs.
We shared ribs, that's right. I got chicken parm because it's really good and you know, what the hell. So let's eat. Alright Casey, let's talk about your seafood plate. How's the shrimp?
The coconut shrimp is really good. I don't like it. I usually don't like it when it's baked, but it's pretty good.
Okay.
That's amazing. This fish is amazing. Tastes really good. And then this, it's really weird. It has a different taste.
So usually scallops, that's scallops, right?
And shrimp.
Usually scallops is your favorite thing, right?
Yeah. I said yeah.
Oh, okay.
I said yeah.
But this time, the fish is your favorite.
Yeah.
And the shrimp is second.
Yeah.
And what's weird to me is that looks like cheese and scallops, which are two of your favorite things. And
it has an interesting taste.
And how would you, is it bitter? Is it spicy?
I can't tell. Someone try it.
That's shrimp.
It's shrimp and scallops. So you gotta buy the shrimp.
It's a little bitter.
Yeah.
It's okay. I don't like that nearly as much as my chicken parm that I'm having. Yeah, that chicken parm is good. I do like that chicken parmesan.
All of my favorite things on a plate: chicken, cheese, bread, and pasta.
All right, chicken parmesan, chicken parmesan, chicken parmesan. Chicken parmesan. Okay, to review my chicken parmesan real quick without just saying chicken parmesan over and over again and making a weird face. I like it. It's two nice sized portions of chicken covered with marinara sauce and cheese, which is fantastic. The linguine noodles are just okay, but that's fine. And look at all this goodness. And then a nice piece of garlic bread. Yeah, it's good. And I think this is probably one of the cheaper entrees on the menu too.
How much is it?
I don't know. It's reasonable though, I have a feeling. But anyway, I'm very happy with it. This is my first time getting it. It probably will not be my last. All right, Casey has decided to try a bite of the chicken parmesan, so I cut her off a piece of mine. What do you think? Oh, you hadn't ate it. Here it goes. You like it? It's okay. Do you like it better or your...
Mine.
Okay, well, you know what's interesting is I really am not a seafood person at all, but you, it turns out, really like seafood, so that is interesting. We have the same eyebrows though. And I always do that all the time. All right, Casey's got some new ice consuming method that she's discovered. And she didn't even realize how awesome it was. I saw it and said, wait a minute, wait just a minute.
He was amazed.
Here we go. Whoa! How did you do it? Do it again. Don't get choked. What? All right, you're gonna have to go slower. Give us like a 10-step procedure. How do you do this?
Here. Put the straw in the hole of one of the ice.
In the ice? The ice has a hole in it?
Yes.
Oh.
Let me show you.
Okay. Now that doesn't tell me nothing.
Are you ready? You ready? Okay, here. You put the straw in the hole. You have to like drag it up so it doesn't fall off.
Can you do that slower? Okay, I think I see what you're doing. Whoa. Slow. That was too fast. Slow this time. Slow it down some there, Trigger. Okay, that's not impressive at all. Thanks for sharing your amazing Rainforest Cafe ice eating technique. Have a nice day.